What's up, YouTube? It's me, Captain Yellowstein, and as you see in the last video, I had a little mishap with the KFX. So, I have a ATV trip with my brother and a couple friends tomorrow, and I have not fixed the quad yet. So, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to try to get that thing slapped together so I can go on this trip tomorrow morning. I better get my hands dirty. It's getting dark already. See, it's still in sport mode. Alright, first things first, I gotta get that piece off so I can get to my handlebar clamps. So I'm guessing that. I don't have metric big enough, so yeah, perfect. 1/16 is about the right size. It's loose. You know what they say, if it's loose, just yank on it. Oh, that's the key, just yanking on it. Okay. Alright, cool. Oh, no wonder they fold so easy, things are loose. Probably loose because I took all the aluminum out of it when the knurls folded forward. So yeah, I want to loosen these up. I don't want to just yank the handlebars up because I hate to strip out my bar risers here. I don't know. I kind of like sport mode now that I mess with it. That feels right. I did this last weekend. Here it is 5 days later, just working on it when I got a trip tomorrow morning. Oh, and the worst part is where I broke off my throttle lever. I ordered a new throttle lever. It cost me 40 bucks to have it shipped, expedited shipping, so I made sure I have it by this weekend. I called my friend that I bought the four-wheeler from. He tells me that's not even the stock throttle. The throttle is off of a Honda 125, so the lever I bought for 40 bucks probably wouldn't even work. So hopefully it works. If not, he says he has the original. We're gonna slap it on tomorrow morning before we hit the off-road part. So the only thing I got left to do on this is snug this up and just loosen all my controls and get my controls back where they're supposed to be, because I spun all up out of position, which happens when you roll it, I suppose. Alright, let's crack this open and see how that thumb thing comes out. Ah, there it goes. Bend those block tabs down and pull that off, and I'm telling you right now, the lever I have is not the right lever. Go grab it. See what I got. That's not even gonna be close. We're going to be doing a throttle swap at the trail. Watch me impale myself. Maybe the first time. Okay, so I don't got a thumb lever, but I do have locking pliers. Too tight. Too tight. Just right. Yeah. We are at Bundy Hill. I don't know if you can see that sign. We're all checked in and we're ready to park and unload and hopefully not tear our quads up too bad. Well, I still got to fix mine yet, so in we go. I'm flying mammal guy.